All right, good day, everyone. Welcome to this YouTube channel, Creative Digital Medias. In this tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to use OBS Studio. As you can see on my screen here, this is OBS Studio. It's a screen streaming app. It's a live streaming app. It is used for recording. You can use it to record your lectures, use it to record tutorials, use it to record YouTube videos, and much more. Let me show you how you can use it here. You see from here you can see it's the one I'm using here. As you can see, this you can use to start the recording. You can stop. You can actually what one thing I like about this software is the screen feature. You can actually set different location on the screen. You can set different parts of the screen you want to capture. Let me show you what I mean. As you can see here, we have screen 2. You can set the source of these screens. Like this screen now, you want it to capture. As me, you want to attach, let's say, uh, a microphone, let's say microphone or an image or a text or any file here. You can, let's say, we want to add a video capture device. For example, assuming you have like a webcam, an attached webcam. You can this way you can attach it here. You attach your webcam. This is the display capture. You can attach your display capture. That's the screen you are capturing. Okay, as you can see, this is a display capture. You can reduce the size, make it bold. You can literally add anything. Assuming you want to stream and attach you want your picture to appear, you want your logo to appear, you can add an image. Literally add an image. You can upload the image from let me upload an image. uh let me get an image. Can't find. Okay, let me use this. Obviously this is not a good image, but let me just use it. As you can see, you can literally add anything and different screens. As you can see, it is very flexible, and this is your desktop audio. This is where you can see the desktop audio, the microphone you are using, the video capture device I've mentioned earlier. This could be the webcam, a USB webcam you attach, or the system's webcam. This is where you can start your streaming. You can stop it. You can start the virtual camera, studio mode, your settings and exits. Let me quickly show you the settings of OBS Studio. Look at, as you can see, this is the settings. You can play around it. It's very easy. It's a very open software that most YouTubers use. You can stream. You can select what you are streaming. You say Twitch. You say Facebook Live. Literally anything. You can set your output. Yeah, this is where you can set your recording part. You can set the video bitrate here. So you can set the format of the video if you want it to be in MP4, MKV, and you can set the quality. So you can set your audio settings. You can fix up the audio settings. If you want to change the source of your desktop audio, this way you can set it up. Here, this is where you can set your video. As you can see here, video output is currently active. Please turn off any output to change video settings. This is where you can actually set it up. You can set the screen resolution of what you want to record. As you can see here, the base resolution, this is 1366 and 1366768. The output 128 by 720 pixels. As you can see, this way you can set hotkey, assuming you want to set a particular key for it to stop and start while recording, for you to pause. This way you can set it up here. You can set up the shortkeys to start the streaming, stop streaming, start recording, stop recording, and much more. A lot of, you can even set hotkeys for switching scene, just like I've told you earlier. You can switch scenes, and this way you can see the advanced features. I think this is pretty much advanced as a beginner. So as a beginner, this is all you need to know about OBS Studio. It's a very nice software that most people are using to record their courses, record their whatever. You can record literally anything that you can imagine. Yeah, and when you are done, this is where you can actually show your recordings here. You can see what you have recorded. You can edit them and upload them wherever you want to upload them. I believe you've understood how to use OBS Studio better now. Don't forget what we've just said. The scenes, you can check the various scenes you've put. The sources, you can set up the sources of your display. Your audio mixer, you can set up the desktop, the microphone, and literally anything. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel to encourage us to give you more videos like this in the nearest future. Thank you.